Hi, hello, and welcome to Bong Bento Life. Hope you remember this one. Yes, which I made it. Okay, Rishin also helped a little. Now it's time for this. The big black Mercedes F1. It's having 1642 pieces. And this time Rishin told me he will help me, right? Okay, he's crying. But of course, he gonna help me out because this is having more than 300 more pieces than this. So, let's start. So, let's open it. প্যাকেটের মধ্যে প্যাকেট আছে. It's having a 2 packets. Okay, obviously the wheels packet আছে যেটাতেও আছে. Okay, it's already the 12th packet. It's having more than 10 packets maybe. Finally done. The instruction sheets. Why I feel like it's thicker than the previous one? This is more thicker.
More pieces.
Obviously, stickers. Let's count how many bags we have. This is 9, 7, 1, 4, 3, okay, 2. Why are they having packets under packets? Double protection? More packets. I guess the biggest number is 12. So it's having 12 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 12 packet. So let's segregate. Then start. There is 12 packets. I segregated per day wise. I think I need 4 days to complete. This is the instruction book. And it's having 78 pages. That's the sticker. So let's start. This is the 78 pages. Starting with the first page. Okay, first packet. This. All plastic bags. 7, 7, this. Packets are 4 small packets. Wow. Let's start making it. So this is after part packet 1. This is just the base, the front part, the engine. This is how the front wheel move. This is after packet 2. The base is currently doing. We can see it's the sideway from the engine. The front wheel insides are ready. The front engines are ready. The steering wheels are ready. If I move the steering wheel, this will move to the front part. Front wheel part. if you can see. Yeah, so this is what happening in after part 2. And this is what I have done in part 3. This is the back gearing part. If you can see, there is small gears, this yellow gears which is moving the front gear, and lots of gearing thing is happening now. So this is the back wheel engine thing. So if you move the front, that wheel thing, the full gear moving, the wheel is moving. So this is how we can move the back of the wheel. So this is the engine. So let's go to part 4, where we are making the back wings. See, this is so good. This is fully covered. The red one, we didn't cover this one, but the black one, it's full cover. So we, again, I'm showing off this engine part. Actually, is really good after making, like, completing this wheel thing, the engine thing. This is looks really good. So the now the back part is connected to the front part. So now we can see the full structure, like the full base, which is already done. And again, let's move to the fifth part. So I've just stopped the middle way in the part 5. I love this piston moving. Like, I'm just obsessed. Like, I have played with this after like almost very long time, because I love how the piston is moving. And this is see through. Actually, you can see the yellow part which is moving inside. And after making this, I'm just obsessed with this. So after this is after 5. So the piston is in the back, it's already connected, and the front and back part is also done. If the wheel move, the piston is also gonna move. So I can say the back engine is also ready for my car, and this is moving like smoothly, very smoothly. And here come after packet 6. Here we have done this side base, both the side, the base is ready. And now we can see the how wider the car is gonna look. And this is the front fin, where the air is gonna flow. I don't know where this car gonna going, but yeah, this is how the things work in the car. So let's move to the packet 7. This is after packet 7. I have made this, there is some mechanism, this, and for the both side. This is all packet 7. So now it looks like front and back is all same, nothing changed, just these things changed. Let's make packet 8. After packet 8, what we made in packet 8 is this Petronas. Looks how cool it looks. There's a slanting thing. This we made. There is a guard. Same happened with that side. And the seat. See, this is so spiky, and guard and all. Everything was there. And we made this. So this is what it looks like now. It's somehow coming together, and I really like it. So yeah, this is what. Okay, this also added in this thing. So let's go for packet 9. What happened after packet 9? We add this, we add this, we add this, we add this, and the front part, this, this thing and this. Nothing changed in the back, same as the before. So yeah, that's all. The part 10, this is made, this thing made, and the back seat support. So from now the thing will move, and also you can see the steering is also moving.
Okay, I have to confess something. I was so excited and eager to complete this black F1 base that I actually forgot to take the video right after finishing packet 11. But don't worry, we are jumping straight into packet 12, and now just look at this beauty finally coming together. I can't wait to show you the full time lapse of the entire build. That's going to be my next video, so make sure stay tuned for that. It will be a super fun to watch this whole journey in a fast motion.
So that's it for today's build. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this Lego journey with me. So don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun builds and adventures. Until next time, take care and see you in my next video. Ta-ta!